Hammaga assalomu alaykum obunachilar. Bugun sizlar bilan futbol Mehmondo'st kanali bo'lmoqda va mana ancha bo'ldi video qo'ymaganimga. Katta video qo'ymaganimga shortlarimni olib bormoqdaman. Qolgan ijodlar hammasi bo'lmoqda, lekin katta video qo'ymaganimda ancha bo'lib ketdi do'stlar. Va sizlar o'ylagan holda bugungi 2026 dalasi juda ham zo'r kelgan. Shuni sizlar bilan final bosqichida Ispaniya bilan birga, jamoasi bilan birga International Cupda o'ynaymiz. Va men komandam bilan tanishib chiqadigan bo'lsak, o'zimizni o'zbek futbolchilarimizdan Elyor Shomurodov va qolgan futbolchilarni ko'rib olishingiz mumkin. Aytish uchun juda ham ko'p vaqt ketadi va bizning komandamiz shu va biz o'yinni boshlaymiz. Va har doimgidek meni stadionimda
Players line up side by side. The match about to get underway.
o'ynaymiz.
Let's see
Va
how the
biz
teams
shu
line up
kubikni
today.
olib ketamiz agar yutadigan bo'lsak.
Going with a 4-3-3
Men
approach
ishonmoqdaman
formation.
yutishimizga,
Can use
chunki
wingers to
meni
devastating
juda
effect.
ham kuchli va ularniki
It's a
menikidan ham
4-2-3-1
xolis.
formation, an attacking version of the
Ular 4-2-3-1. Meni atakan esa 4-3-3. Juda ham ko'p dilizchilar shu atakan qo'llasa kerak. Ha, biz o'yinni boshladik.
The match kicks off. Mbappe looks comfortable on the ball. A strong tackle.
Va to'p Pedro Porroda.
Now it's Pedri.
Pedri va Valverde to'qnashuvi bo'ldi do'stlar.
He's won the ball back. Safety first, back to the goalkeeper. Grimaldo.
Aqsa hali ham 0-0 va Ispaniya hujum qilmoqda do'stlar.
Baena with the ball. Well
Yo'q,
cut out.
bizda katta xato. Va buni Mendiga ish emas bu.
A long distance pass.
Va bizda ham
Cristiano
hujum
Ronaldo.
bo'lmoqda va hisob o'zgarmadi.
Dribbles with the ball.
Va to'p Dembeleda. Dembele hozir prime davrida
Dembele driving forward.
va juda ham gapga mos bo'ldi. Prime davrida deganim o'zini oqladi. Va hisob 1-0.
Let's see that
Va
one again.
Dembele juda ham zo'r pas berdi va hisobni Kylian Mbappe ochib qo'ydi. Va Ispaniya yana hujum qiladi degan umiddaman, chunki juda ham u hujumkor jamoa Yamal bor unda.
A player of his talent really should have won the
Yamal
ball.
bizda ham bor, ularda ham bor.
Here's Dembele.
Va yana shu qanotdan hujum.
Players using his pace. He attempts a long pass.
Va ko'pchilik 4-3 atakasini qo'llashsa kerak. Chunki bu atakada hujum qilish juda ham oson.
Mendy.
Va juda ham oson o'tib keta olasiz.
Cristiano Ronaldo. Can he put it away? Here's
Wow,
Great
nice
save.
emoji ko'rsatmoqda. Juda ham
That was a
golli vaziyatdan
world-class
ochdi.
save. Let's see how he managed to save that shot. The new taker will stand over this corner.
Va xato.
That's it for the
Va
first half.
birinchidan
This
tugadi,
international cup
ikkinchidan
final is
ishlagan
going their way. That's
Bunga obuna bo'lmagan bo'lsangiz, hoziroq obuna tugmasini ezib qo'ying va videoimga like bosishni esingizdan chiqarmang. Va ikkinchidan ham boshlandi aziz do'stlar.
and possibly try and add to it. Should be a really interesting second half. Mbappe.
Hujum
Oh, confident
va
defending.
Uglavo. Standart vaziyat.
Whipped in with pace.
va
Hit the post.
chiroyli
So
gol
close.
demoqchi edim.
That's well out by the
Ustunlar
defense.
golga to'sqinchilik qilmoqda.
Bumped into the danger area.
Voy, Simon juda ham yaxshi varatada turmoqda.
Uses his head. That's offside by the slimmest of margins. Tactical change here then. Headed forward. Tries a long shot. Oh, he tried his luck there, but it's just
Ronaldo.
off target. Samu with the ball.
Rovandek o'tkazmaydi.
He slid for the ball, but missed. Oh,
Wow,
not the
juda
best
ham.
effort there.
Mana zashnilarni o'tkazib yubordi.
They're just looking to keep the ball. And he's clear of the
Vaqtda
defense.
ochilishi
Can he finish
mumkin.
it? Terrific stop by Courtois.
Courtois juda ham birga bir vaziyatni olib chiqmoqda.
That was a bad pass. Tackle by Rice. He's moving fast with the ball. It's opened up. He went for it, but
Yo'q,
missed the target.
Haaland
Time
nega
for a
urolmadi?
fresh pair of legs here then. They're running out of time, but it's still possible to score an equalising goal. Baena with
Ispaniya
the
ham
ball.
juda ham pozitiv o'ynamoqda.
They've got the lead, but to keep it, they're still going to need to have their composure. Oh, and dispossessed there.
Va biz pressing qilmoqdamiz va pressinglarimiz amalga oshmayapti. Tiki-taka qilib o'tib ketishmoqda.
That's a poor pass. Some players are looking exhausted. These new subs will revive the team's energy levels. He's taking the ball out wide. That's a great ball in.
Wow, Courtois shunday vaziyatda qutqardi. Bo'ldi o'yin o'z nihoyasiga yetmoqda. Obunachilar Ispaniya va Kubokni o'zimiz bilan olib ketadigan bo'ldi. Va yana bir bor aytaman, agar menga obuna bo'lmagan bo'lsangiz, hoziroq obuna bo'lishni unutmang. Va sizlar bilan futbolni 0+ bo'ldi. Keyingi videolarimizda ko'rishguncha yaxshi dam olinglar.